Yo, what's up? I'm just getting done with this gig, and my voice is still gone. The weather has changed here in New Orleans, but I'm going to show you a little secret to making your slap bass or your thumping and plucking just a little bit more funky. Stay tuned. Yo, what's good? I'm just getting back from this gig, like I just mentioned, and I wanted to share a little secret, if you will, about how to get your thumping and plucking to sound a little bit more funky. If you haven't done so already, go and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a groove. If you want to support the creation of these free videos, you can do so by supporting any one of the links in the description box, by my book, the album, leave a tip, buy one of the products down below. So without further ado, let's get into it. So one of the tunes that I play with this band is No Parking on the Dance Floor by Midnight Star. And I'm just going to play it real quick and see if you can catch what this secret sauce is. Don't worry about the notes so much just now, but I'll tell you, it's in my right hand. So you'll notice that instead of me going, what I'm doing is I'm always feeling the eighth note. And so, you know, since I think of the basses, particularly in this style, as being also a percussive instrument, is, you know, I'm right along with that hi-hat, right? You know, like when drummers play, some of that funk that's, you know, kind of grease and stuff is in those ghost notes and all the other little elements that you hear that that are inside of the, you know, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, cat. You know what I'm saying? So if I were to take all the notes out, what's happening in my right hand is now I'm exaggerating it a bit there. So, but what I'm getting at, I'm so tired, is I'm expressing those eighth notes. I'm feeling those eighth notes, and that ghosting is coming out in my thumb. So if it's just me, another thing which has less to do with the right hand is all that stuff. There, I didn't pluck a note. I just plucked the dead string. And there, just like slop shit stuff. Sorry, this is a family show. You know what I mean? Just wind it up a little bit, but that secret sauce though, You see what I'm saying? So that's the secret sauce, man. I'll try to add some video down the line of me playing some stuff live where I'm thumping, but it's like the hi-hat. One. Just eighth notes. All right, try it out. Tell me how you dig it. Tell me if it spices up your slap lines or whatever. Like I say, man, go and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Support the channel by getting one of those products from down below. All right, catch you next time. Peace. 2 fingers.